Hello, my name is Kara Sustak, and today I will be discussing with you the introduction and the purpose of my senior project. So I have a question for you. What keeps you motivated? Is it your friends, your family, your significant other? More importantly, how do you stay motivated? These are very tough questions for many people to answer. The location of my organization is my current place of employment, which is Wendy's in Yukon, Oklahoma. The purpose of my project was to discover the weaknesses of the day shift employees in Yukon. And I found out that lack of motivation and horseplay are big problems there. Lack of motivation is caused by them not being paid very well. I believe that Wendy's is the lowest paying fast food restaurant in Yukon. And also, they are very short-handed on some shifts, especially during the weekend. So to many employees, it feels like they're having a lot put on them at one time, so they don't want to be there. The horseplay is just between a certain group of people during the day shift. They usually just talk loudly, laugh, joke around, run around the store sometimes. And they usually do it during the wrong times, like when someone's trying to take an order or when someone's, like coordinating an order or trying to hand it out the window. The solution to my problems are management training. I believe that management is a big key to keep your employees motivated. I believe that you need to have a good management system that knows their employees very well to keep them motivated. And I also believe reward programs for employees that have been there for a while and work really well and really hard would help as well, because monetary rewards don't always last. They work at first, but they don't really stay. They don't really last. So in conclusion, I believe management training and reward programs will help motivation between employees, will help build motivation. And I also believe that the management training will help with controlling the horseplay between the employees as well. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed.